Mouse not working in Windows 11? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it using only your keyboard. First, press Windows plus X, then use the arrow keys to go down to Device Manager and hit Enter. Once it opens, press Tab to focus on the device list. Then use the arrow keys to find mice and other pointing devices. Press the right arrow key to expand it. If you see two HID compliant mouse entries like I do, repeat these steps for both. Select the first one, press Enter, then press Tab until the top menu is selected. Use the right arrow key to go to the driver tab. Press Tab again to highlight Update Driver, then hit Enter. Choose Search automatically for drivers, and when it's done, press Tab to close the window. If your mouse is still not working, go back to the driver tab the same way. But this time, select an installed device and press Enter to confirm. Once that's done, restart your PC by pressing Alt plus F4, using the arrow keys to choose Restart, and hitting Enter. And that's it. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and if you're still having trouble, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out.